Did you know that your smart home devices might be snitching on you? You heard. You can actually become an unwilling witness in a criminal or legal proceedings because of your smart doorbell, for example. Why is this important? Here's the law. Your Ring doorbell, your smart thermostat, your car's dashcam. These devices are not just gadgets anymore. They are now also digital witnesses, and the courts are letting them testify. Here's the breakdown. In Canada, the Ontario Court of Appeal tackled the very issue of access to your digital devices. In the joint decision of R versus Pike and R versus Scott, the court ruled that Section 99(1)(a) of the Customs Act, which permitted Canada Border Services Agency, CBSA, officers to perform standardless random searches of your personal electronic devices without any legal threshold or reasonable suspicion, is unconstitutional because it violates Section 8 of the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. The Ontario Court of Appeal noted that border officers searched electronic devices without clear legislative authority. And the courts found travelers were left vulnerable to officers acting on their own interpretation of the law. Justice Tulloch recognized that the threshold to obtain such sensitive information requires a higher standard of justification. Here's the bottom line. The privacy of your electronic devices isn't absolute. There are ways that the government and authorities to get access to them. Courts are still figuring out where the line is. So what can you do? Here are a few things you can do to protect yourself. Take the time to review all of your smart electronic devices and establish a clear and cautious approach to who you grant access to. Check your smart home settings. Opt out of any community sharing or neighborhood watch programs unless you're comfortable with police access. If police ask for your footage, ask if they have a warrant. Without a legitimate warrant, you have the right to say no. And that is the law.